Hello, my name is Dan Fashionbauer from Video Pizzazz. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for what I feel is the best merchant credit card processing service for online businesses. And that is GroovePay. Now here's why I'm recommending GroovePay. You get instant approvals, easy integrations, real relationships, and competitive pricing. So when you compare GroovePay with other merchant providers, you can definitely see the difference here in the benefits. And for services, when you compare GroovePay with Stripe and PayPal, you can see here that the charge card from your website is free, the cross-border sales is free, recurring billing is free, and advanced fraud protection is free compared to Stripe and PayPal. And your GroovePay merchant credit card processing service applies to digital marketers, health and wellness businesses, live events, small businesses, e-commerce, consultants, software services, and professional services. So just about any business that you have online could benefit by using GroovePay. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to show you how to apply for the GroovePay affiliate program. Now, if you find this video useful, I would really appreciate it if you would sign up using my affiliate link right here at videopizzazz.com/GroovePay. All right, have a good day. Let's get going. And it says, please complete the information below to become a valued GroovePay affiliate. So enter your first name, your last name, your legal business name, the type of corporation, your business physical address, your city, state, zip, contact email. It should be an email that's associated with your business name and your customer support phone number, which is your contact phone number for your business. Click on Next. In my case, I'm going to have my affiliate funds go into my business checking account. So over here under account type, I selected checking, and then I entered in my business checking routing number and my business checking account number and click on Submit Application. And it says, are you sure you're done with the application form? Click on Confirm Submit. All right, it says we have received your information and one of our processing experts will contact you shortly via email. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at applications@groovepay.com. All right, so at this point, I just need to hang tight and wait to get an email from GroovePay. All right, so with a matter of minutes, I checked the company email that I used for the application, and I already got an email from GroovePay. It says, welcome to GroovePay Affiliates. Click on that. And it says, hello, Dan. Welcome. We are so glad you're here and want to be part of our GroovePay affiliate program. First things first, affiliates are a very important part of our growth strategy. We have many successful affiliate partners who can earn thousands in recurring revenues from our program each month. It is important for us that you know that we are here to assist you with anything you might need at any time. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reply to this email or call us at 1-844-GROOVE-1. Once again, welcome to GroovePay. We truly look forward to working with you. So I was expecting to see my GroovePay affiliate ID in this email, and I didn't see that yet. So I'm going to wait a little bit longer and see if I get another email from GroovePay with my affiliate ID. If not, I will call them. All right, so it's been a couple days and I received an email back from GroovePay affiliates. And you might receive an email sooner than I did because I actually applied over a weekend. So that probably delayed the process a little bit. But I got this email back here from Welcome to GroovePay Affiliates. Click on that. And it says here, thank you for applying with GroovePay. We are going to send you the affiliate agreement for you to e-sign. And once it's signed and approved, you will receive your affiliate link. Can you please fill out and sign the W-9 form attached to this email? So I need to download this PDF here. I'll click on download. And it download the form in the lower left-hand corner here because I'm using Google Chrome browser. And I just created a directory on my local computer called GroovePay. And then inside of that, I created a directory called W9. And I'll just slide that tax form in there. And then I can double click and open that up. And here is the W9 that I need to fill out and send back to them. So you will have to input your social security number for tax identification purposes, or if you already have a business set up, you can put in your business tax ID number. Alright, so I ended up printing out the W9 form provided to me by the GroovePay email, and I filled out line number 1, 3, 5, 6, and then down here I inserted my employee identification number for my business. If you don't have a business, it's just a personal account, you can put in your personal tax social security number. And then I scrolled down, I signed it, I dated it, and then I scanned in each page of this W9 form after I have filled it out and created a PDF. So I just called my final W9 form my business name, W9 for GroovePay.pdf. So this is what I'm going to send back to GroovePay to get approved to be an affiliate. So I will just reply to this email. So I just said here, I attached a PDF containing my completed W9 form. Please approve me to be an affiliate and provide me with my affiliate ID. Thanks. Alright, so I'm going to click here to attach, and then I'm going to go into my GroovePay W9 folder. I'm going to select that PDF that I just created, click on Open, and I'll click on Send. Alright, so for some reason that was too big, so I'm going to delete my original PDF file that came in here, and then click on Send again. Alright, so that went through. For some reason there's some kind of a limit on my email reader, but once I removed the original PDF file that I got from GroovePay, then it was able to send out. So now I think I've met all the application responsibilities, and I believe I will receive an email back soon from GroovePay affiliates saying that I was approved and providing me with my affiliate ID. So within a couple hours, I received the email back from GroovePay for the e-signature for an ISO agreement. So I believe this is my last step. So just click on the link they provide you. Since this concerns your business, I would suggest that you read through this full ISO agreement and make sure you agree with everything in this or understand it, or if you don't understand something, make sure you get clarification with GroovePay. So I'm going to scroll back up here to the top, and then I'm going to click on this Start arrow on the left hand side here. And that takes me to the first place where I have to insert my initials. Now if I hover over this, it says click to sign. So I'll click on that, and then there's 4 different ways that you can sign this. You can just type your initials, you can draw your initials, you can upload an image of your initials, or you can use your mobile phone and take a picture of your initials. I'm just going to leave it as the default of type, and I'll click in here and I'll just type in my initials and click on apply. Now you'll notice here that this did not change, or this did not update. But now if you hover over this area, it says click to change. So it really did get saved. So you'll notice here that we're at section 1.2. So click on next, and it takes us to section 1.5. Click here, and then it brings you down to the contractor information. Next to the buy, it says click here to sign, so click in there, and it says type your signature, so click in here. Alright, so I typed in my name, click on apply, and then inserted my signature under the company name. Make sure that all the other information under the contractor is correct information. Then click on next again, click next again, and then under the agent, next to signature, click here to sign, and it automatically inputs your signature from above. Click on next. So once you input your signature once, Then you should just have to click on Next. Alright, so once you have just an X here on all of these initial statements, looks like I'm good to go there. And then after you have signed your name under the contractor section, and again, you need to have an X here next to initials. And under agent, you needed to have signed that area there. Once all that is complete, then you get this message here in the upper right hand corner that says required fields completed. Then you get this pop-up down here that says by signing, I agree to both and the consumer disclosure. Then click on this blue button here, click to sign. And then it says, thank you for completing the ISO agreement. We have sent you an email confirming with a copy of the signed application for your records. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me directly. All right, so at this point, I don't have to do anything. The ISO agreement automatically got sent to GroovePay. So now if I go back and check my email, I got an automated email from GroovePay. And it says, thank you for e-signing your document. Attached is a PDF copy of this document for your records. So then you can download this PDF and save it on your computer so you can refer back to the rules and regulations for GroovePay. Alright, so after I submitted my e-signature documentation, it took about 24 hours and I received another email from GroovePay, the title of GroovePay Affiliates Update. And it says, congratulations, you are officially part of the GroovePay Affiliate Program. And then they provide me with my affiliate link. Alright, so now I am good to go. So now I can start promoting GroovePay as an affiliate with my own personalized affiliate link. I hope you got some real value out of this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.